Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. I did receive another box of 35 original unissued olive green shade 107 third pattern jungle fatigues in size large long. But this one's a little bit cooler than the last box. I actually wasn't expecting this. You can see here it's kind of dark. I'll get in here. We've got, Coatman's wind resistant, Ripstop Poplin olive green Army shade 107. Size large long. 4 or 1 could be, but probably 4 of 1968. 35 of them, right? There's the contract number, 68. So these are actually going to be earlier dated than the previous box that I had opened. These are made by Sidron Sportswear Incorporated in Comanche, Texas. Shipment number and all that stuff. And this one does actually not have that shipping thing like the other box did that says, you know, ship to the quartermaster supply or whatever in Virginia. So anyway, it's time to open this up because honestly, I'm just about sold out of that other box and I want to pop these open. I'll be keeping a few of these for myself, for my eternal collection, and I wear them around frequently like I've told you. I just kind of wanted to show you this box is in a little bit better shape than the last one. It got some boot marks on there you can see. But I'm actually gonna pop this open and we're gonna see what we've got to look at. Should be really cool. And for those of you that are saying I'm ruining a piece of history, I doubt you're gonna give me what I paid for this even, much less me making a couple bucks on the entire box unissued. And this way, instead of one person getting, you know, the joy of having a super collectible item or whatever, 35 people, possibly 36 if I sell the box, are going to have the opportunity to have a piece of history and a really cool addition to their collection as well. That's the way I look at it, and I am in business to make money. I wasn't expecting them to come in the original boxes like this, but they are, and that's why I'm videotaping this to kind of document it, because it doesn't really happen that often. So that's just a little disclaimer. I got some flack from the last video. People were kind of upset that I opened it, but it's got to be done. So here we go. It's just like the last one. It looks like it's got some glue on it. We'll kind of try to get under here like this. Man, this one's sealed a lot better than the other one was almost breaking open. So I'm trying to keep the box intact too, so that's kind of a challenge. I'm gonna have to have my little assistant here help me. I'm sure when they were in country, they just tore these things open, but again, I kind of want to try at least to keep this intact, just in case somebody wants it for their collection in the future, or I might just move it in the warehouse and store things in it. Oh yeah, that's not gonna work. All right, well, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna make a surgical incision right here where it seems to be the weakest, because I don't wanna have a bunch of pieces of this box flying everywhere. So bear with me, I just don't wanna cut any of the coats. Okay, that should give me enough wiggle room to kind of get in here like this. Now this is kind of a pain. It's a lot harder than the last one was. All right, so there. We took a little different avenue of approach at opening that. Still got the same result. Success. It's open. I've put the knife away. Oh, the suspense. 1968. These. Oops, sorry. I just hit the little tripod. 1968. So these are actually 51 years old. Or in April they'll be 51. So in about a little over a month. Wow, these are really in good shape, just like the last ones. It's really interesting that I've noticed about even these. They're a little bit different tints of olive green in the bundles of 5. So it must have been like a different day, different dye lot. So for people that say every uniform is always the same color, it's not. These are pretty consistent. There you go, large long. Right there. That's a pretty sweet tag. Now, I'm gonna keep these 5 for myself. So actually 30 people, 31 people will be able to enjoy a piece of history because I like the earlier dated stuff too, and 1968 is a cool year. So what's interesting about 1968 is this is probably one of the first batches ever made in ripstop on a large scale, because they were just Poplin before, but you can see this is obviously ripstop. It's got the little squares in there. Let's see what we got here. All right, very nice. Very nice as usual. Let's see what the tag looks like. Yep. Oh, it's got a nice big pen mark through it. That's a great one on the first opening. But yeah, these are 1968 dated for sure, just like the box says. Sidran Sportswear, or Sidran, or however you pronounce it. So this is definitely a really cool thing, and if you're watching this at this point in time, I have these in stock right now. I'm gonna sell out of the 69 ones pretty soon, but if you're watching this and you want an additional one, or this will be your first one, I'll put the link in the description, and you can just leave a note with the order if you're a YouTuber and just say I'd like a 68 dated one. I'll do that for kind of a special thank you for my YouTube subscribers and watchers. So definitely, if you want one of these 1968 dated olive green 107 shade jungle fatigue jackets in unissued mint condition, size large long, from Sidran Sportswear, dated 1968. Go ahead and order. Same price. I'm not going to change the price at all because they're not that much more collectible. It's just a personal thing that I like. And leave me a note when you go ahead and order and just say, hey, YouTuber here, can I get a 68 dated one? And I will send you that. So thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this. I absolutely love this. That's why, I mean, I've already done an unboxing video on the other one, but I figured I'd do it on this one too. Favorite uniform, you can go back and check out the other videos and listen to me rant about that. Definitely, I'm keeping these 5. The other 30 are going to be going out to customers. So I appreciate you watching, everybody. I really do. And as an appreciation, you can get one of these 68 dated ones. So, all right, let me know when you order. Don't forget to add a note. Thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll see you on the next video. Probably not another one of these, but if I do get another box by some miracle, I'll definitely take that one too. But consider this the last unboxing you're going to get from me. So, of Jungle Fatigues, rather. So, thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time.